Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time when they see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Alright, so Arsenal don't beat Sevilla 2-1 for Spain yesterday for the Champions League match where they play. So overall, when you watch the match, Arsenal actually started the match better than the way they play that RC Lens, even though everybody they expect say the match will be a very tough encounter based on say Diego Alonso will be the coach of Sevilla. He don't come outside the talk tough say this match you see them need maximum 3 points, and with that dangerous man El Nesri, Sadio Ramos we don't join them, Acuna we go face Bukayo Saka. Like they had a lot of nice players for that match. But Arsenal starts the match well. Play for the first half, Sevilla didn't get any shot on goal. We actually closed down their dangerous men. That necessary. Gabriel Jesus just pocket them, like we don't even see the guy do any sniffing. Get, I don't think they even get any shot on goal or whatever. So at the end of the day, first half Martinelli missed some kind of chances. Get, then Gabriel Jesus come free and give him one true ball, but dribble keeper score goal. It now became 1-0. After that 1-0, we missed some kind of chances. Go for take score again, but it no work for us. Then Gabriel Jesus come perform a moment of magic. Just carry the ball from the flank, back, create space, boom, which is what we expected. Goal 2-0. Then before you know what happened, Sevilla equalized 2-1 with corner kick, and we want to defend everything and make sure say the ball just go like that. So that's what it just be. So far so good. I did very happy because when you check the table, you go see say Arsenal don't go up now with the high up there ahead of the likes of RC Lens, because now we don't beat Sevilla 2-1 for Champions League to go top of the group stage. So that is what we are praying for. And now if we say RC Lens control with PSV, so the next time we go play Champions League will be the return leg. The Sevilla will come England, so we'll make sure say we'll knock them home and away. As we knock them there, therefore here we're in the front of our own 12 men. You know, to make sure say we continue what we do, because when you watch the match we play against Sevilla, hear any of our fans really sing any song like do Saliba or anything. No fan go there now, I get. Although they sing 1-0 to the Arsenal, 1-0 to the Arsenal, 1-0. Now hear anything like that. So when they come, I don't know how many of their Spanish fans will follow them travel. So we will be in the ascending order, because you see this group stage like this. We don't get our hand now, because we don't play away. Now we'll play home. So we don't get our hand to make sure say we qualify as the leaders of this group. At the same time, keep an eye on the EPL games we will play. So for some kind negativity things will happen for the match, Gabriel Jesus can't get injury, as you see him when they limp off the field with hamstring injury. So they call the hospital at the end of the match. Baba talk say Gabriel Jesus signal and say make them come out, because the guy they hold under his leg, dying hamstring, say make them come out and say he don't know what they do. I said after say this is unlike Gabriel Jesus, so they talk say make them come out. So they can't come out. Although after that same yesterday, they can't show Gabriel Jesus when they conduct media rounds with TNT Sports. So when they explain to them, say he already do tests for Sheffield that night, he do test. And I tell them say nothing spoiled, it's not a minor issue, you get. But say today we can do further tests with our own physios to confirm whether anything spoiled or nothing spoiled. So far so good. Now positive hints we don't get now from Gabriel Jesus after the initial test. Say na minor issue, don't be the way people they think. Alright, so away from that, so before the match starts, say we expect say Thomas Partey go play based on say play against Chelsea. So now later, in fact, when I don't go live for the pre-match analysis, I never even see any reports. Now one of our community members like let us know say they talk say Thomas Partey get muscle injury, so the guy they okay. So, but after the match, Arsenal put out a statement saying Thomas Partey get muscle injury. Many people going to put out statements saying Thomas Partey get muscle injury. Now the question now becomes, till how long? Like what me and Baba Sato they talk for studio. Do you know say that because of Declan Rice what we don't get now? That is why we know they miss Thomas Partey. Why they say Declan Rice no day? So were they forced to play the likes of Giorgio and El Neni for the middle of the pack? How that one take make sense? How it make sense? So the Rice will just come in and they save us. They play number 6, they play number 8. Anywhere where they put on, you go play. If Partey day, they will shift Rice go number 8. Partey go play 6. Partey know the Rice go play 6. Another person go play 8. And so we just go run and they go Jojo play 8. or they go play Kai Havertz. But now I think that they listen to what fans or like people logical reasoning. You get say making no play Kai Havertz for the first 11, they bring that from bench, which is what he's doing. In fact, now I don't know whether I even noticed, even somebody even reasoning for the GM CHUKS. Do you know that I thought that they use Kai Havertz as a number 10 role, because for Bayern Leverkusen a number 10 in the play. They give assists, they do run things for the midfield. So now, if they come out with the guy, they go put Kai Havertz. No notice that switch. I think that they try to find what will be the perfect position for Kai Havertz. Now they know the plan for 8 again. They don't they come out and they shift them from 10 and 9. If not they observe, that's why for the last few games, they come like say the guy they improve, because they play 8 again. Oh, I just let you they see some kind of things with this stuff. Alright, away from that, so Martin Keown come as I call it to say almost Martinelli missed chance for that first half. So that's why that one with Gabriel Jesus come free and Shola, when they see that as a free and say this guy no go like to miss this one again, because the first one when you get one-on-one you miss him. Second one obviously you got to bury him. In fact the guy was even confused. He don't know what he go do. Whether make it wipe shot, take speed, carry ball, go corner, bomb bam, he enter. Just be very, very happy to say at least he score. But Gabriel Jesus get one kind of form for this Champions League. Come on, make him bring that form. Can I come for the EPL? In fact, now every time we go play against Sheffield United, you go back with the rest Gabriel Jesus based on this injury when don't get to, in as much as they minor, but more no go aggravate him. Talking about aggravating himself now, the same thing with Michael Owen they talk say this injury when Gabriel Jesus gets now, so it will make sense when they rest him for like 10 days, because hamstring, whether na minor, whether na small or grade 1 or grade 2, you need rest. You need rest. Because if they go play, another person can knock and kick and go overly, they go kick the race when they play. They can't kick and that thing go escalate. So it go make sense. And thank God say on paper we are facing a low opposition in Sheffield United, where they didn't have number 20. They don't lose their last 5 games or thereabouts. But by everybody debates them both big and small. So it will make sense. We will rest Gabriel Jesus to know we die. Go still play well. So you don't tell me say because we rest Gabriel Jesus then we cannot beat Sheffield United. So me I subscribe to waiting when they talk say make them rest that boy at least 1 week. I'll say when they advise say instead don't play but him be striker before. So at least we make striker the whole under him leg. So forget to that say na minor or not, you need rest. Make that place for heal. So I don't know whether I want to subscribe to that line of thought, or I feel say we still play. Because if Ateta play Gabriel Jesus against the Sheffield United, something can stop. Now we as staff fans will see why you know rest time. The same way they talk about Bukayo Saka play against RC Lens where we get Man City match. Why they no rest time? So that is what me I talk. So what I see for this matter. About Chris Sutton also don't come as I call the talk say Liverpool actually pose a bigger threat to Man City for the title race than Arsenal. But the thing they say, the media is fixated on Arsenal. Everybody is focused on Arsenal based on what they do last season. Liverpool just they silently move forward. They know the reason anybody silently, quietly. They just they run low key. They just they do their move. Before you know it, we just see them for this first position. So but people know the reason them. And myself, I subscribe to this line of thoughts. Say Liverpool said that they get up, but once you go and Liverpool still gets European engagement. So injuries will come. They will need to rest players to play. Others maybe and I don't think they did for Champions League now. So they did for Europa League. So anything can still happen. Well, or just the word. They don't be like Tottenham Hotspur. We just get free run. No European engagement. Just they play league once in a while. What is this decision? We know if we talk about the match of players without mentioning the abilities and capabilities of Tomiyasu. That guy now was Japanese samurai. That guy really gives Zinchenko a run for his money. And once we maybe like Tomiyasu, we say put him for right back, he go play there, cover for Ben White. Put him for centre back, he go cover for anybody. Put him for left back. Do you know what it means for a player to have the ability to play anywhere across the back four? That guy is rare. He's a rare in type of player, Then they in rare quantity. They no plenty for this world. So that's why they're very, very happy. Look at people they claim say bring in Tomiyasu is better defender than Zinchenko. I don't think anybody will argue that one say Tomiyasu defensively is better than Zinchenko, but they offer anything moving forward, because that is why you see that match yesterday. I know say the match will be end-to-end stuff. Say Sevilla will come attack us and nobody do gang up. They will come attack us. So we don't need a fullback with a run, come out, leaving space. They go, they exploit that area. That is why we bring Tomiyasu to marshal that place. See, nothing they go on for there. And you see Tomiyasu, see Ben White, they lock up everywhere. Like defensively, yesterday we were solid. Forget the cross and another they scores, and that one can score anybody. But say maybe the one who tiki taka, do through ball, pass us. No, it don't work. Alright, at the same time, I thought I when they talk after the match, so they talk say, fine, we don't win now, and people need to understand, say, we needed a response based on what happened for RC Lens for France. So we needed a response to win, to go back to the top of the group. And now we don't go back to the top, so we can rest our laurels, come back to the Emirates, play the second leg, and also go top again. So now what's in the sea? I be talking, I thought say I see PSV versus Lens, PSV win or draw. Now what's I expect, because I don't know, I just get this faith in PSV, say home and away they will give a good showing. And the first corner for Lens equalize now. So for the reverse feature now they will go PSV home. PSV they unbeaten for that place in how many games. So I don't expect say Arsenal go see anything, but that one now on paper. And then when match starts, go see how it will be. So just imagine say Arsenal knock Sevilla, PSV can knock Lens. We don't get a cap for that top of the table, because as it be now with the gap for Arsenal is 1 point. So if they can't lose, we can't win. The gap don't turn to 4 points. So that's what it just be. Alright, so Martin Keown also come as I could say, you see this Saliba and Gabriel Jesus. So those guys they earn their money for the way they play for Arsenal. So you watch that Sevilla match. Many a times they throw their bodies on the floor to block the ball. Like they take joy, they enjoy the act of defending. And they put their body like I don't know. They represent the badge well. They play very very well. And myself, I subscribe to that line of thought. You see our defense. When I tell when I talk, say person no fit come knock us 2-0 now without response. Person no fit come knock us 3-0. Gone are those days. The person will knock us 3-0, 4-0, or 4-1, all those kind of things. You don't pass. Our defense stingy die. You get, you can't just score us anyhow. And because of the kind of people who don't get bullish people, like zero joy. You get. When was the last time since anybody laugh inside field, the shine teeth? Zero joy. Not the laugh. That guy they take his job very very seriously. Get so I just be happy with the way our defense they play. No really, I don't think anybody will come as at us will get issue for defense or will get any weak points for defense. Come on, if we can rest Zinchenko and Tomiyasu will come in and still give a good showing. Come on, man. I will still get keep your waiting for bench the way to that oneself now another strong mafia. Come on, defensively we are solid. So my dear Arsenal lovers, so if you know what yesterday, you check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click on so that you get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I came out.